Hello everyone, and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the easy anti-cheat not installed error in Fortnite. So the process is extremely straightforward. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. Alright, the first thing we need to do is to navigate to the folder where the easy anti-cheat installer is located. It's a little deep in the Fortnite files, so the easiest way to find that is by opening the Epic Games Launcher. So in your search menu, just search for Epic Games Launcher, then wait a few seconds till the launcher opens. Now inside the launcher, go to your library and then find Fortnite. Search for it right over here in this section. Then click on the three dots right over here, click on Manage. Now in the Manage section, under Installation, click on this small folder icon and a small pop-up will appear in front of you. Now that you are in the main installation folder of your Fortnite, simply click on the main Fortnite folder right over here, then click on Binaries, then click on Win64. Now in Win64, go to Easy Anti-Cheat. Now that we have found the installer, we are going to create a special shortcut that will allow us to run the repair function. So over here, all you have to do is simply right-click on the Easy Anti-Cheat executable, then simply select Create Shortcut. Now a shortcut will appear right over here. Now don't drag it anywhere. All you do is right-click on the shortcut, click on Properties. Now in the Properties section, in the Target field, simply click after the .exe right over here, and simply type Repair. But first add a space, then type Repair, and now hit Apply. Then hit OK. Now double-click to run the shortcut, and it should automatically repair your easy anti-cheat if there is any issue with it. And once you're finished, you can directly launch Fortnite, and the easy anti-cheat error should now be completely fixed. So that's it. You now know how to repair the easy anti-cheat installation error for your Fortnite game. So I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and